A noisy pop-up book. Wild animal sounds. North America is made up of 23 countries, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico, the region providing a variety of habitats to a range of wildlife species. Mountain ranges running north to south affect the climate of the continent, and this creates different habitats. Living in these mountainous areas, there are animals such as the brown bear, the lynx, the moose, and the raccoon. Asia is the largest continent, approximately 30% of Earth's land area, and consists of 48 countries, including China and India. Asia is hot, cold, dry, and wet, and this diverse climate is home to Bengal tigers, cobras, orangutans, Asian elephants, and the giant panda, a symbol of peace in China. Australia is the sixth largest country in the world, with diverse landscapes from deserts to rainforests, along with bushlands, housing unique animals such as koala, kangaroo, and echidna. Australia is home to over 800 species of birds like the pink kakadu and emu. Europe is the second smallest continent in the world, yet has a large human population. This means that much of the countryside has been farmed, and animals have been limited to living in small pockets of natural wildness. Europe is home to approximately 270 mammal species, including the red deer, one of the largest deer species in the world. Other animals, such as red squirrel and the red fox, are native to the taiga, which is the evergreen forest located just south of the Arctic Circle. Africa consists of 55 countries and is the second largest and hottest continent on Earth. Africa is home to more than 1,100 species of mammals, including the world's fastest land animal, the cheetah, and the world's tallest animal, the giraffe. The mountain gorilla lives in Africa's jungles. Grasslands are home to lions, zebras, meerkat, and the white rhinoceros. South America is made up of 12 countries, and the landscape is dominated by the Andes, a mountain range which runs north to south along the western coast. East of the Andes is the Amazon River and the Amazon forest. Like all tropical rainforests, the Amazon is hot and humid, with rain almost all year round. The toucan is one of the 3,000 species of birds in the rainforest, which is also home to sloth and jaguar. Although the Arctic and Antarctic are both very cold regions, the latter is much colder. Antarctica is so cold that most animals can only live along the coasts and surrounding seas, where the climate is warmer. Antarctica is home to a variety of penguin species, including the emperor. While penguins cannot fly, their flippers make them excellent swimmers. At the opposite end of the globe, the Arctic is home to the polar bear, which can smell prey up to a mile away. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more. See you soon. Bye!